So Eaglet Manufacturing is an 8th grade student-run business that was started 2 years ago. We're a full graphics production crew. We can do laser engraving, we can do banners, signs, yard signs, we can do things like that, and some apparel as well. So they're doing everything from taking in the order to also to all the way through production to the invoicing. And they're doing all of those different aspects of it. Most kids have 2 or 3 different jobs that they might be having a part of. They might have a little part of the design portion of it. They might have also be doing some of the production. They may also be having a hand in some of the invoicing. They might be doing all parts of it at some point. When we originally started doing this, we really set this up to be a feeder program for the high school. We wanted to make it easier. We've always been very good with our engineering programs of making it to where, you know, we are a great leader for the high school program and we can do some things for them so that when they get to the high school level, they can do above and beyond things. I'd like to see it grow a little bit. I'd like to see our numbers get to a sustainable point to where, you know, we have 30 kids that we can keep going with. And then also, you know, if we can keep our account if we can keep our account level and make some money on it to help us out and to be able to purchase more equipment, to maintain the equipment that we have, that's kind of the goal that we have right now.